Hi, good morning, Ravi.
Yeah, hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, Ravi.
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday we are discussing about that has a relation, right? Has a relation, UML notation, right? Come on, friends. I'm audible, guys?
Yes,
Yes, Ravi.
it's audible.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
yeah. So yesterday we started UML notation about what has a relation, right? Has a relation. So in that, we created yeah in that we understood UML notation and how we are by seeing that UML notation, how we can convert it, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Convert it into coding part,
code.
guys. Okay, so let's do some practical on that, friends, again, right? Let's do some practical. Don't bother about that what. Just one relation I will tell and another, guys, you only give in the chat box, right? Like that we will do that. So here I'm taking what is that, just I'm taking one example. Don't bother about that what is that package statement, just write class and stable the relation between those, right? That's it, nothing more extra need, right? So I will tell the methodology also how we can write it. Okay, so here just I'm taking what we have, A class, B class and a C class, right? C class. Okay, we have three classes. Okay, in between has a relation is there. In between has a relation is there. Has a relation is there. Just tell me, friends, development will start from where? First we will develop C,
B,
then
C, then B,
B, then
after A.
A, right? Development will
Yes,
be like that only.
Yes.
So just if the three classes is there in the has a relation, then how we will convert these classes in the code, right? So first we will start C, right? So if you guys are getting the confusion, first understand this one, then you need to develop this one, right? So here what we need to do, we will take one class C. We will take one class C, right? After then what here B class is there, right? So after B class, what is that? B having one child also, because B
Child also.
representing one rhombus site notation, right? Which is the C. So here class B is there. Inside that, what is that? We need to make the has a relation, right? Has a relation with what? C.
Yes, Ravi.
So
C.
we will take the
C.
C, right? Like this only, na? Come on. Hmm?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So after then, what is that? A also having what is that? Has a relation with what? B. A also having the relation with what is that? B. Then what we will do it now here? Here we will take class A.
Class A.
Class A, class A, here what we will take? B and
B.
B. Okay, so like this, like like this we can implement it. Okay friends, so now if you really understood about this one, right? So just I'm giving one scenario. Okay, so same only, right? A is there and B is there and C is there, right? C is there. So here what is that? Rhombus symbol in this time like this, and A having B. Just write the code friends. Okay, use the chat box and send in the chat. Write on the notepad and send in the chat box for that code, right? Just I want to see that. Good, Manjulata. You're so faster, right? Good. Appreciated. Pankaj. Classy. Yeah, Sahil. Developer Hunter. Good. Shandi. Right. Okay. Use everyone chat box, right? And like involve in the session, friend. This is the project batch, not as any subject session, right? Here both side, if the people is involved, then only will work. Otherwise, just like the people is thinking about that, like just I will listen it, that will not work, friend. Okay, that will not work. Yeah, most of the people given the right answer, friends. Okay, right answer. Okay, so just I'm also writing it. Okay, so and just check it. Okay, just check it. So first, what is that? First, what is that? Write B class, right? Write B class because it won't have any relation. So class are just divided in the part by part, right? Part by part. So because part by part means what is that? Take what is that? Again, development will start from the B only because both A and C having what is that? B only child class, right? Come on, B only child class because in which side rhombus symbol is there, friends, right? That class will be the child class. Okay, that class will be the child class. So class B, and here what is that? Again, then we will develop class A, right? Class A inside that what? Inside that B, right? After then what is that? If you want here, write the class C. Class C inside also B like this. Just check it, cross check, friends. Everyone wrote correct. Okay, so fine now. Again, one more I'm giving little bit complicated, friends, right? Little bit complicated will be there. Okay, so here I'm writing what is that? A Here I'm writing B. Here I'm writing C. And here I'm writing D. Right? So B is the child of D. A is the child of, sorry, B, so yeah, A is the child of, what is that? B. And again, A is the child of C also. Just convert this one in the code format, friends. Convert this one in the code format. Use the chat box. E class C A. Okay, correct. B A, correct. Good, Sandeep. Kanchana Simha, just you wrote D, class D. What is that? Developer Hunter. A C B A. Developer Hunter, correct. Pankaj. Pankaj, correct, but you forgot. Yeah, class A, you wrote. Correct. Manjulata. Yeah, correct, Manjulata. Class B. Guys, just send to me privately, right? If you send as a everyone, right? Just people will copy and paste and send the answer like that only. So send to me directly, right? Because if you send as everyone, then what the people will do? Just copy and paste the answer. That's it. They will not put their brain. So that's why I'm saying that. Okay. Okay, good guys. So anytime, friends, okay, if you guys are looking are seeing, if you guys are seeing this kind of code, right, then what you need to do? Yeah, then what you need to do? First develop one side, right, then start developing another side. If you do like that, confusion will be not there, right? Yeah, confusion will be not there. So what I'm saying now, see, first let's take class A, right? Class A, class A. Okay, after then what we need to take? let's take what is that? Class B also, right? Class B. Let's start class B. Class B. Okay, class B having what is that? One child. What is the child? A, right? A. Okay. A.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Now, after then what is that? Let's take C also, right? C. Okay. C having what is that? One child. What is the child? A. So let's take class C, it's having what? It's having child A, right? After then one more class is there, D, right? So take class D, it's having one child class D. B, like this, okay? Like this. Last one, guys, little bit more complicated I'm giving, okay? Just put your brain and uh, do that, right? Do that, okay? So I'm taking, what is that? A is there. Let's take A, B, and E. Here I'm taking D. Let's take here C. Let's take here F, right? So here, what is that? Has a relation. Here B having the child as a E, here also has a relation. And here D is the child of, sorry, B is the child of again D. After then here C, child of D. Yeah, just convert this one in the code format, friends. Class A, okay, class class C, class E, class B, class C, okay, class D and B, okay, class C 70, okay, class F C. Good, 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 Pankaj. क्या Pankaj? Yeah, Pankaj. Sahil, good. Class B, okay. Sahil Sharma, very nice. Pankaj, just check your class B. Class B, it's having two relation. Two has a relation. Good, Manjulata. Raja, correct. Okay, good guys. Very nice. People are catching. Okay, fine. Now, so let's check it. Whoever wrote, that is the fine, friends. If not, just check it. So first, what we will take it now? A class is there now. Let's take class A. Let's take class A. Okay. Now, after then, what we will do it now? Let's take class B, right? Let's take here class B. Okay. Class B having what? Class B having what is that? Two has a relation. See, A also and E also, right? Come on. So here A, we will take A, and again here what is that? It's having E E relation also, right? Then let's take what is that C class, because this one we resolve. Let's take this hierarchy also, right? So here let's take class C. Okay, class C. Inside that class C, what is that? One relation is there. What is that? Has a relation with D. Then D, we will take what is that? D. Now let's say, then let's work on this area, right? This one. So let's develop class D, and B. Okay, class D having what is that? B class has a relation, right? Then which one is left? Class E is there, right? Class E won't have any relation. Class E, okay. Class E won't have any relation, right? So this one also done. Now F is left, right? So here what we will take it now? Class F having what is that? C relation, right? C. Check it. Everyone wrote right. Okay, fine now, friends. So yesterday we seen that what is that? Is a relation, right? Is a relation. We are slowly we are entering in the layer design, right? Layer designing, friends. Okay, so just what is that? If you guys are good in that, right? So once by seeing that UML diagram, everyone is able to convert that UML diagram in the code format, right? That's why we are expending much time here. In the theory part only, that much like we will become expert by looking that what code, right? Sorry, diagram, we can able to implement our module, right? Module. So next step we are going to take what is that? Understanding the layer designing, right? Layer designing. Okay, so then we will understand what is that different type of inputs and database designing. Then we will start what is that? Doing the setup, environment setup, our project environment setup in Eclipse ID, as well as whatever software need, all those things we will install it, and we will start our module development, right? We will start our module development. Okay, so near about 20 plus module will come in our project, friends. Okay, so fine now. So is a relation, right? So is a relation, in the is a relation, what is that? Who's the child class? Now first I'm giving, right? So just I'm giving what? If I'm not writing anything, just treat this class, this one as a class. If interface is there, I will only write the I symbol, right? So B is there and a C is there. These are the three classes is there. Between what is that? Is a relation is there. Is a relation, because is a relation symbol is what is that? This one only, right? Is a relation is there, right? Between what is that? These classes, what is that? Is a relation is there.
Is a relation.
Yeah. So is a relation is there. Then how we are writing that? How we are writing that? Class A is there, right? Class A, we will write it. After then what we are writing now? Class B, we are writing that. After then what is that? Class is there, we are extending, right?
Extends.
Extends A, right? A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Extends A. Okay, fine now. So here what is that? Class C is there. Extends B.
B.
Right? Like that we are writing, right? Come on. So okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So just revise once, right? Revise once. Okay. So here what is that? I'm giving what is that? Here now in this time same class only I'm giving to you people, right? A, B and C is there. Okay. A and B and C is there. And this one is what is that? Interface. This one is what? Interface. Okay. This one is what? Interface, and these are the classes. So can you write the code about this one? If I'm not writing here, see, just read this one as the classes. If I'm writing beside that I, then treat that like class as an interface. Just write the code about this hierarchy. Interfaces, Sandeep, correct. Good. Good. Good side. Raja, correct. Correct. Manjulata, right. Shatish, good. Yeah. Most of the people wrote right. Okay. Most of the people writing the correct only. Okay, fine. So here, what is that? First one is the interface, right? Interface A is there. Interface A is there. After then, what is that? Class is there.